This is an example of a typical wetland found in many dry parts of Rajasthan and the Thar region. In geographical terms, these are called as playa lakes, Playa playa lakes. The water collected is from the rainwater and the water draining from the adjoining regions because of rainfall or even local streams. Such playa lakes are actually salty water because of high evaporation. They are not typical lagoons, but because of high evaporation, salts tend to accumulate. These wetlands become locations for bird sanctuaries. They become important centers for ecological biodiversity. We have many such wetlands, such as Nunaksar Lake, Didwana Lake, and the largest being the Sambhar Lake. There's one in Gurgaon too called as Sultanpur Bird Sanctuary, which also is a similar type of a lake.